Hi, how you doing? My name is Adrian. I'm from Las Vegas, Nevada. This is my brother.
My name is Jose, and I'm from Las Vegas, Nevada as well.
We found you guys through a referral. Someone actually took the class previously. We were asking about how to learn, and Google as well. We did our research on Google, see some great reviews, checked out the Instagram as well, and it looks really good, and we're really glad we came out here.
Shout out to Car Bros, man, for the referral.
Yeah, shout out to the Car Bros. It was very amazing. You know, I learned a lot, feel comfortable leaving, very knowledgeable on everything we learned. It was very open, very free, didn't feel uncomfortable, very welcoming, everyone. With us, we came in open-minded. It was just learning about everything from the start to the finish.
So yeah, we did learn what the trainer teaches us. They taught us from the start to the ending, their ways of how to perfect the PPF installation. We did learn new tricks and how to install it. It was a great experience. I highly recommend it. It was so much fun. Met new people, networked here, and I do recommend you guys, if you guys have the time or are in LA, come check them out.
Anyone looking to increase their business, if you're starting off as a detailer and you want to go into increase profits and different services, this would be good for it as well. And just anyone wants to learn tint and wraps, like to increase your business, depending on what you're at. If you're in the car field, definitely something to come cool and check out and to expand, you know?
We work a lot with wrap shops in Las Vegas, Nevada, and this is one great opportunity for them to send their people to train, to get knowledge. Even if you're an expert, you can always learn a little more. We previously met one gentleman that owns that shop in Dubai. He came here to go ahead and learn his tricks that they do here and fix all his mistakes that he needed to fix. And they helped him out here. So guys, if you guys are looking for the best in town, LA, check them out. Traffic.
I would tell them to, you know, come in open-minded. Come in as, even if you're knowledgeable on what you come in just, you know, to come learn and learn different techniques and be open-minded with different people that are around you. Everyone's knowledgeable in certain aspects. I came in learning about PPF, but I went out knowing about everything. There was a gentleman that owned a tint shop, a gentleman that worked with different detailing techniques, and we actually collaborated with a video out here. And we learned, you know, I learned about different things that they use, and that I didn't use previously, that I will include, leaving now, I'll include into my detailing, and especially for the cuts as well, for the wraps, cutting techniques and different things, you know, just being open-minded and friendly, you know. It's the best advice I would give them. That'll be all. We're very grateful for everything that we learned and the whole experience.
Come get it, guys.
Yeah, come get your certificate. Yeah.